Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lenny. As always, my hair is all screwed up. Let me fix that. That's why I'm wearing a hood. Yeah, forget about that. Anyways, today we're taking the Evo over to the shop right now. Somebody's coming to go get these wheels. There's a couple people interested, so whoever gets here first basically gets the wheels. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the Regamasters, the Evos on the Evo. That's exactly what we're gonna do today. So let's go ahead and get this car warmed up, and then outside I have to move the other car because it is in the way right now. So let's go ahead and do that real quick, and then we can head on over to the shop, get those wheels on, and we can sell these later. It hasn't been started in like 2 or 3 days because it's been sitting in the garage because I don't have wheels for it. Let's go, baby! Also, it's been snowing a little bit. I've got some snow all over the cars and stuff, but nothing in the streets, so we're good still. We're good to drive. This is gonna be okay. Damn, guys, you do not know how good it feels to drive this car after a little while. Yeah, oh my God. Here, I'll give you a little. Oh, the noises that come out of this thing, man. I will never get sick of these. Oh, this is beautiful. I love it, but let's go get some new wheels on this bitch and make her nice and pretty. The fitment is perfect on it. You guys saw that in the last video, so let's get ahead and get over there. Little winter wonderland action out here. We're almost to the shop. It's so beautiful out here when it's snowing. I like that the roads are clear though, so I don't have to worry about slush and the car's a little low and all this other stuff, maybe sliding out and stuff. Yeah, you know how it goes. Oh, he's coming. Big boy, the big boy. All right, we've made it to the shop, and those are the wheels. Oh my God, I love them so much. I cannot wait to put them on this car. So let's go ahead and pull the cars into the garage here and then get started on that. Alrighty, I got my apple almost finished, and Ruben's gonna pop open the garage here. Gonna put both of the Evos inside and then start working on this. Get some wheels. How you doing, Kobe?
I don't know. I'm just chilling.
He don't know. He just chilling.
She runs now.
Oh, your Civic runs?
Yeah.
Guys, do you remember the Civic? This is Carlo's old Civic.
Yeah,
It blew up, and then they rebuilt it, and now it runs again. Does it drive well?
Yeah, I started tuning and stuff. I'm taking it home today.
Oh, perfect, dude.
12 pounds of boost and shit.
Hell yeah. Did you do some pulls in it already?
Yesterday.
Yeah.
The fucking inner tie rod's fucked, so the steering's just like that.
Oh, vibration. Slugs. Give me a zipper.
Huh? What, impact?
Impact. Alrighty, here we go. They are all on now. Looking pretty fire. And I got to torque down everything. I was thinking I might lower the car a little bit on each side, but I wanted to settle first and see if they rub a ton on these and stuff, which, you know, the caster's already screwed up a little bit, so you can see that. But yeah, check out the gap. So this gap right here is much smaller on this side than it is on this side, where it's a little bit larger. It's kind of hard to tell, but you can definitely tell. But yeah, we'll run it for a little bit, see what's up. Well, all right, so here's a slight issue. Oh, here, let me turn on the flashlight. All right, see that? Is the flashlight even on? No. All right, so here's the issue, right? Full lock, it might hit just the tiniest bit, but if there's pressure on the spring and it compresses, it definitely will. So that is an issue. There's not really any way to fix that because these are already pretty stretched, and I don't want to go stretch more than this. But it's fine because I probably won't make full lock turns all the time. It's just gotta be careful. Gotta be careful with these carbon fenders. So yeah. But other than that, I think I want to lower the rear at least because they look a little funky without it. Yeah, just a little bit. And there's quite a bit of gap. So yeah, we could take care of that and it'll look really nice. But the fronts, I gotta figure out the fronts. Hey, yo, there's Sean's car out here, bro. Fire. Look at that thing. Woo. It looks so fitted. That looks so good. And here's how the Evo looks outside in the fresh, wet, snowish. Look at that little bit of poke on the wheels. Ooh, it looks so good. And actually, I did a full lock turn out of here, which is pretty solid. I think I'll just have to be careful, like I said, but that's not too bad. I definitely want to lower it a little bit, but I shouldn't. But I really want to because it looks really good. But I gotta clean it. I gotta clean all this stuff off. It's kind of dirty, but since it's still like kind of snowy out and all the rain and stuff and water is probably gonna persist for a little bit, I don't know if we'll be able to do that for a little while. So we will just not clean the car for a little bit because it'll just get dirty again. Well, now that we got all that out of the way, all the wheels are fitted and all that, we do have some packages here, and I think one of these is from Team Guardian, which is I think it might be this one actually. There's a couple other things here, so yeah, we'll go ahead and unbox these in a second. Alrighty, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. This thing is pretty sweet. I believe this is the Insta360 camera. Oh, that's the head strap, some plastic. What's this? What's this one? Oh yes, the glass piece. Here's the actual camera itself, the 360 cam. We're gonna definitely check this out today. Let's see what else. Oh, selfie stick. And a lens cap. Nice, what else is in here? There's one last thing. Oh, SD card, perfect. And that's pretty much everything out of here. So we can drop that on the ground. Let's go. So this is the main attraction, of course. Do I have a knife with me? I do not. Maybe I'll use my keys. Alrighty, I got the plastic off. Let's see what is in box number 1. Woo! Look at that. Brand spanking new. The Insta360 X3. This is a 360 cam that we're going to be using for some of our car videos. We can use this for like a GTA style, kind of like above the car, from behind, third person view, and all sorts of things. This thing's going to be so sick to be incorporating into our videos here. I mean, most of the time I just use this thing, which is the iPhone, and I use it on wide angle mode, but to have a 360 view, that's going to be sweet. And all of these accessories just go onto here, and then I can also use it as a head strap, so I can use this inside the car. You can see all around inside the car as well, so that's going to be sweet. I just took a look into this second box. It looks like it's just the charging cable and then also the little pouch for it. It's a little like kind of softer pouch. Super nice. I'm gonna go ahead and break open these sticky lens guards so that we don't get any scratches on these lenses before we even get started here. But yeah, let's go ahead and break on into this, apply those, and then we can go ahead and take this out for a test run with the car. back at the shop chilling right now. Ruben's waiting on Tuned by Wally to get working on the WRX there. Brought the cars inside because it is mad chilly outside. It's like 26 degrees outside right now. And you can see all of the frost, bro. What? Working overtime. Yeah, working overtime. It's like 11:15 a.m. or p.m. right now. So we out here. But yeah, look at that. Like actual fucking frost on this thing. Oh my gosh. Gotta get that off. But look, Sean's M3 comp is here. Oh my god, this thing looks so gnarly. Full carbon everything. What's up?
You see the damage on it?
No, what happened? It was the grill, right? Is it just popped out?
Yeah, but it's like... Right there.
Oh, weird.
That's it, though. And the tab's broken off.
Huh. Yeah, so it's just kind of hanging loose right now. Yeah, not quite sunken in properly. But yeah, that's why it's in. But yeah, this thing looks so sick. I love this car so much. He's got all the little carbon bits. Lowered it. And then carbon ducktail. Look at that. Woo. Also, the Regas look so good on this Evo, guys. Ooh, there's Ruben's Evo as well. But yeah, man. Also, Tyler's S2K is getting these gold 57DRs. Look at that. So this color is kind of what this color should have been, I suppose. But this is more like a bronze olivey color. It's fine. Whoever buys these probably will end up powder coating or something anyway. So these are sick wheels, though. I wish I could keep them, but I can't have both. I can't. I really can't. I think the wing is somewhere. We're going to have to grab that at some point. Tony did try to wrap it black to match the cars there. But I guess the material failed. So that is unfortunate. I'm like, oh, here's part of the wing. Look at that. So it's still red, unfortunately. And there's the deck, the carbon deck. So I think we'll just take them with us and then paint them black ourselves. That'll be sick. Alrighty, we've gotten everything we need to get done today. Closing up shop for the night. It is 12:30 and we're just chilling out here. Let's see if I can clear that lens up for you. Got both of the Evos warming up and stuff. Oh man, it is so cold out here. You can see my breath. You can see the steam rolling off of everything. It's crazy, bruh. Alright, we out. Catch you in the next one.